You see this guy here? This is the first thing I saw when I logged on. Right, so I'm gonna keep my fucking bank pin in. Well, let's deal with this mug. And right, I'm gonna do half that to see if he accepts it. Because I've looked and he said that about 7 or 8 times. Right, accept. I think he's botting. Because there do exist double bots. They accept favourable trades. And just stare at you after. Okay. And if they do say something, you do all this. And he's back to auto typing. It's those days where Gary in his HUD, he's probably regretting it, isn't he? Actually, I don't think he is. This is just sad. I mean, people are begging for biscuits and they can't even use them. I mean, as soon as it's gonna get them, it's gonna sell it for money. It's like that's really, really disrespectful. I thought I'd record some of the lag you get on this world because nowadays World 2 is just tremendously bad connection-wise with Grand Exchange. The server can hardly keep up. It just ends up being a sort of a chain effect because because it tries to restart and then it just does this again. And there was a guy who said I was playing a Flash game and hot cold legit test me? Test me for hot cold? What? What? Test me is for doubling, not for hot cold. Oh, look at him. No, this guy, I'm just gonna fucking trade him. I'm just gonna do DTS on him because he's only just started. So I think if I just kill him straight off, then 100k. There you go. Let's see how fast he accepts this. Look how fast he is. He's like, oh, this is easy money, this. Oh, he's heard me. Now decline. Okay. There you go. Oh. Oi! Hey. No, I didn't. No, didn't. No. Oh, come on now. Dick. He just runs back as though none of this happened. Legit. Fuck off. Another one really. And World 2 requires 10 seconds to catch a breather. It's not man. That's great. That's great. You didn't accept your decline, idiot! Holy fuck! If you could think anyway. I guess I'm afraid to believe. You never had a no. Some days you just gotta annoy them. Let's give me this tiny baby scammer for 100k. It is not man. You know, I think I stopped him. I just go a bit further. It's great. These are mostly heavy quotes. Mr. Scout one. Follow for AGS. Oh, good, my favourite food. Oh, good. Right, Volculus. Oh, good. Follow for AGS. I think I've seen this guy before. I'm not fully is this him? Let's look at a thing. Let's see which one is it now. Okay, I think this might be him. Let's see. Okay, let's look. Let's just see this. It's him! It's him! Look! Look! It's him! It's him! It's him again! It's him! Has he announced it too? Has he announced? This is the bloodiest winning guy! Those are just the guy. Oops, that's not right. God. World 2, just work. Yeah, you asked. Durzo is winning! Alright, my turn! My turn! He gave 100k back. Okay. This guy here, he's doing bidding event, prize 5 mil. And yes, this is World 1. I decided to, seeing as I've already took my claim over World 2, I'm going to try staking a claim over World 1 as well. Widen my territory. Let's go! Let's go, let's go. Can we just let's go? How much have I even gotten, mate? Ugh, that'll do. I'm gonna have to thingamajig with private chat here because I prefer need more people. I think you're going to need more men. Clan event. Clan event. Let's see this. Honest doubling. Honest doubling. Show money. Watch this. I'm actually gonna give this him just to see what he does. I'm gonna see what he does actually, because this is gonna be so funny. There you go. Just I don't care. All right. Let's see what he does. And he pretends I don't exist. And he logs. That was worth it, don't care. We are doing trivia first. This is gonna be either a spam trap or just outright rigged. Right, show. D-battle axe. The first 4 questions, I'll get on with it. Okay, it was a big 3 max. Oh, just fall in a river.
People like this shouldn't be allowed to breed.